Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 9th, 2020. Yes, I will continue with this Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 1728, and I have already counted the printed digits. The total printed digits here in this Sudoku is 24. You can check if I'm correct. So let's get started. I see here in this middle column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then let me see. In the middle row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then. 3. How about the number? Wait. 1, 5, 1, 5, and a 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. And now, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now, 6, 7. Let me think. 3. Alright. How about yeah. Yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in those 3 boxes, so the 3 and a 4 goes in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One of the missing number in this column, the third column, is the number 1. We see here 1, we see there 1. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. two numbers left. Two numbers left. In the third column, those numbers are the 9 and the 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Let me see. How about the middle column? We have now 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 here. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the middle column are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 here. So the 1 and the 9 cannot be in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But now we have a 1 digit left in the middle column. This should be the number 6. Alright. 666. That means in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes there. 6, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. How about these 3 missing numbers in the second row? One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. The numbers 8 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this big square. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. Same like here. 3, 8, 9. 3. No. 3, 8. 3, 8. We have the 9 there. 3, 8. 2. 3, 8, 2. Yes. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 8, 3 and the 8 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those 2 numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 9, let me mark them for you. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. Those 3 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing. 4, 7 and the 8. 4, 7 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 9, 7. Yes, 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, the first digit, alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 4. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright, digit number 2. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The 9 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 3. Alright, 3, yes. How about the 3 in this row, 3 in a row below? So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Then let me see, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two, and then 9. No, 2 and 8. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this column. The 2 and the 8 are missing. The 2 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. Then. 2 numbers left in this column, the last column. The 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, yes, 1 digit left in this second column for the number 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 1. 1 digit left in the last row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the last 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. For this 4 Stars Sudoku, I'm very pleased. Because for 4 stars, If it's a really 4-star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes, but I have managed to solve this within in 14 minutes, so I'm happy. Do you think so? Thumbs up? Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon in a minute with 2 tectonics and 2 binary puzzles. See you later. Bye bye for now.